So UPSC is going to be a little long journey because the exam cycle lasts for close to 1 year. So there is going to be multiple stages. Most of us will already know that. There's going to be a preliminary stage. There is a GS and CSAT paper. In the main stage, there are going to be 4 general studies paper. There's going to be 2 papers based on your optional subject. There is an essay paper. And apart from that, there's going to be a qualifying paper, one in English and one in your native language or any Indian language, which you would have a proficiency in. So after that, once you qualify mains, there's going to be an interview stage. So a combined mark of your main stage and interview stage is going to decide your rank. Prelims score is important to qualify for mains, but it's not going to be added in your final score. CSAT is also a qualifying paper. So it's going to be a little long journey with 3 stages of examination. A lot of times during the preparation, a question that many asked me was, why do you want to sit for such a difficult exam where you would have to face multiple failures probably? There are very few of us who could make into first attempt in all 3 stages. But I think having a vision, a childhood dream that where you wanted to serve the nation, serve the society, is going to be truly fulfilled in the service. So that was the motivating factor for me personally. Apart from that, I think it also teaches you life. It builds your character. It shows you that there could be difficulties, but you will have to overcome the difficulties and adversities. You must move ahead. Failures are not final and not fatal. It's definitely going to be a push that you must face the failures gracefully and even accept the success very humbly, because there were so many of the people who could not clear to the exam or clear the final exam despite having the same level of intelligence, competence, etc. So that brings in an added responsibility on the candidates of cleared to do better and to strive and be a good candidate. You have been selected to the list. It's a good opportunity. Do not let it go waste.